paperwork and your name. So happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, Mother's Day.
No, that's not good.
I don't even say that.
Man.
So this is yours.
Wow. That's awesome.
It is the most stunning car we have on the lot.
And now it's not on the lot anymore.
Chrissy, you want to hand her the keys? Then you gotta hand her the
You
keys.
said you were. So you did know?
Oh, yeah.
Waiting for y'all inside.
Come on over here, look at the front of it. This is a
Wow,
touch.
nice bow.
Yeah, nice bow. So, it's a car you've always wanted, right?
Yes, it is.
It's just you.
It was a little flashy for me now that you said that.
Yeah.
I told Wayne Peterson yesterday, he said, we can finish buying that car. And I told him, he says, well, what color does she like? She likes the San Marino red, but I like the silver. She says she has to sweep into her room. She laughed.
I did not.
So you have to.
Wow, are you serious? I thought we were shooting a video. Well, obviously we're
shooting a video.
Yeah, video.
Come on, be in the picture, you guys. Yes, we are shooting a video, and we are going to do that in a
Why
little
had you
bit.
pictures? Good job, you got her in a good one.
We're going to shoot the video a little bit, but we got I got the temp tags in there. You ready to drive off this gas?
I noticed that it had the temp tags, and I'm like, oh, someone already bought that. Why are we shooting the video?
You think you'll need to practice this? You come back and finish the paper.
Die on you.
So, yeah, it's very nice. It's a nice car. So it does
All right, Mom,
mean
start her up.
it does mean ramen noodles for a couple of years.
Now it's now the junkyard.
Tell us what it was like when you saw this was your car and learned it was yours.
Oh, I was shocked when I came walking up, and I'm like, oh, of course he'd pick the red for the video because that's the coolest. And then I saw the sale sign in the back, and I'm like, oh, he's using someone else's car. So I knew it had been purchased, but I didn't think it was mine. I still don't believe it's actually mine. Still a little worried about that. What?
Rank all of your Mother's Day gifts.
What?
Rank all of your favorite Mother's Day gifts.
My favorite Mother's Day gifts. Well, each of my children are my favorite Mother's Day gifts, but this one would have to be after this. Definitely after this.
So when he told you that this car was yours, what did you think?
Uh-oh.
I heard you say that's not good.
That's not good. That's not good. I'm more the person who always talks about doing something but doesn't ever actually do it.
Oh, we know.
Oh, yeah. Make some decisions, but don't ever make them stick.
This gift from Dad.
This morning, when Dad and I were having breakfast, we were eating cereal at the table, and he whispers, we're going out tonight and we're going to get Mom a car. I was like, oh, did not see that one coming. My next thought was, well, this makes my kitchen cleaning present on Monday look pretty pathetic.
Well, but so part of that is because you're so busy. I've been able to get to you and tell you about this. You're busy with dates last night and award activities and things, and so our paths haven't crossed a lot. I could have texted, but that seems so impersonal. So
This reminds me of the time that Dad was in Idaho for 3 days and I still sent him a plate every day not knowing he was gone.